Hello everyone and welcome to the digital product from create to launch course that I am going to show you guys how to do it. So for this lesson for today, I have asked a lovely lady, Roxanne, if she could answer some questions for me. So I chose her because she's someone that is interested in making money online. She's never done this before. So we are starting from complete scratch for someone that has never done this, that doesn't have an online course or saw ebooks or anything before. So let's dive into it. Now, the first one we're going to do is let's decide what her brand is going to be. And we're going to use ChatGPT for this. I'm going to assist her to create a brand for her. So what we're going to do is sign up. And here we go. We are logged into ChatGPT. So what will ChatGPT help you? It is basically an AI assistant that will help you with anything that you can think of except making coffee. So I have asked Roseanne to answer a few questions for me. So remember we did a side hustle quiz. So she decided she would like to sell digital products, ebooks that will assist mommies that's staying home, to help mommies to make money online, to stay at home and look after their children from the comfort of their own home. So let's start with creating a brand for her. Now the first prompt that I'm going to put in to help with this, sorry, I just want to get it. First prompt we're going to use, I don't know who did watch my ChatGPT brand videos on YouTube, but we're going to start off from the beginning. So first prompt we're going to use is I am a digital creator and I want to sell digital products online to help mommies earn a passive income online and be able to work from home and stay with their children. Her story, I asked her to fill in the story for me. So I am going to fill it in here. I want you to create a brand voice message and messaging document that includes personality, tone, and messaging guidelines. Help me craft messaging that aligns with my brand voice and that resonates with my target audience's values. And we're going to start. It's thinking and then it's going to start. So I will be back after it's crafted the message. And it's finished. And this is what it came up with: brand voice and messaging document. Your brand is supportive, empowering, and grounded in personal experience. It embodies a sense of resilience, authenticity, and a deep empathy for the struggles faced by stay at home moms. Your voice reflects your Christian values and honesty, integrity, and giving, while being approachable and motivating. Her key traits is she's empathetic, encouraging, and grounded in faith and authentic. Her tone is inspirational, supportive, empowering, and honest. Messaging is overcoming obstacles. For example, a post that you will create. It doesn't matter where you start, what matters is the decision to start. You've got the power within you to change your story. Empowerment through digital business. A post would be: imagine being able to stay at home with your kids while earning a sustainable income online. I'm here to show you how it's possible. Christian values. I believe in doing business with integrity. What you see is what you get. No hidden costs, no false promises, just a clear path to earning from home. It's telling her to connect with her audience, speak to their pain points, use their personal story, focus on community and support. Content types is educational, motivational, testimonies, behind the scenes. Next steps: craft your social media profiles, create content calendar. Okay, so now what I would do is I would go copy this. And you know what's amazing? I use Google Documents. So let's open a Google Doc for her. And we're going to call it Brand Voice and Messaging Document.